As artificial intelligence continues to advance, one of the most pressing issues is the ethical implications of these technologies. From decision-making processes that can affect individuals' lives to the power of AI-driven systems that operate in ways we may not fully understand, the potential for unintended consequences is immense. AI, in its current and future forms, is likely to challenge our moral frameworks, requiring us to rethink concepts like accountability, fairness, and humanity. In this chapter, we will explore the ethical concerns surrounding AI and how they may shape the development and deployment of these technologies. We'll discuss issues such as AI bias, surveillance, privacy, and accountability, as well as how society can navigate these challenges as AI continues to integrate into our daily lives. One of the most significant ethical issues in AI is bias. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on, and if the data used to train AI algorithms is biased, the outcomes produced by these systems will be biased as well. Bias in AI can lead to unfair treatment, discrimination, and perpetuation of existing inequalities, which is particularly concerning in high-stakes areas like hiring, law enforcement, and finance. For example, AI used in recruitment might inadvertently favor certain demographic groups over others if trained on historical hiring data that reflects existing gender or racial biases. In criminal justice, AI-driven predictive policing tools have been shown to disproportionately target minority communities because they are often trained on biased historical crime data. These systems might perpetuate racial profiling and exacerbate existing disparities in the legal system. The problem of AI bias is not only an issue of technical fairness, but also of moral responsibility. If a biased AI system causes harm, who is accountable? Is it the developer who created the system, the company that implemented it, or the machine itself? These are critical questions that the tech industry, governments, and society must answer if we are to ensure that AI benefits everyone equally. Another key ethical concern surrounding AI is privacy. As AI systems become more capable of analyzing vast amounts of personal data, concerns about how our information is collected, used, and shared are growing. AI-powered systems in areas like surveillance, healthcare, and social media have the ability to track and analyze individuals' behaviors, movements, and even emotions. In some cases, these systems may infringe on our basic right to privacy. In surveillance, AI-powered facial recognition systems can track people's movements and identify them in real time. While this technology can be useful in security applications, such as identifying criminals, it can also be used to monitor citizens in ways that undermine their freedom and privacy. In authoritarian regimes, AI-driven surveillance can be used to stifle dissent and control the population. On the other hand, in healthcare, AI systems often rely on sensitive personal data to make predictions or assist in diagnosis. If this data is not properly protected, or if it's sold to third parties without consent, individuals could face significant risks to their privacy. Healthcare systems and other AI applications must ensure that data protection and informed consent are prioritized to prevent exploitation and harm. Balancing the benefits of AI with the protection of privacy is a delicate challenge. It requires clear policies and regulations that can guide AI development in a way that protects individual rights while allowing innovation to thrive. As AI systems become more autonomous, questions of accountability become increasingly important. When an AI makes a decision, who is held responsible if things go wrong? This is especially relevant in autonomous vehicles. If a self-driving car causes an accident, should the manufacturer of the car be liable? Or the developer who created the AI driving system? Or should the car itself be held accountable? These are questions that need to be answered in order to create a framework that can govern AI decision-making. At the heart of this issue is the question of moral agency. If an AI system is making decisions based on algorithms and data, does the machine have any responsibility for its actions? Or is the responsibility always placed on the human who created or deployed the system? Establishing clear lines of accountability will be key to ensuring that AI is developed and used ethically. Moreover, this issue extends beyond just autonomous systems. AI is increasingly being used to make decisions in hiring, loan approvals, medical diagnoses, and even sentencing in criminal courts. Who is responsible if an AI system makes a discriminatory decision or produces an inaccurate result? It's crucial that the accountability framework for these systems includes transparency and oversight to ensure fairness. AI developers and engineers have a crucial role to play in ensuring that the systems they build are not only effective but also ethical. Ethical AI development requires a deep understanding of the social implications of the technology being created and a commitment to building AI systems that are transparent, fair, and accountable. Developers must ensure that their systems are trained on diverse, unbiased data, and that their AI algorithms are regularly tested to identify and correct biases. One of the ways developers are addressing this issue is by adopting AI ethics guidelines and frameworks that emphasize fairness, transparency, and privacy. For example, organizations like the AI Ethics Lab and Partnership on AI are working to establish ethical standards for AI development that address concerns like bias, transparency, and human rights. Many companies are also adopting ethical AI teams tasked with ensuring that their products meet high ethical standards. The role of the developer extends beyond just technical know-how. Ethical AI development requires a deep commitment to social responsibility, ensuring that AI technologies are used for the benefit of society and not to the detriment of vulnerable groups. As AI continues to evolve, the conversation about AI ethics will only grow more complex. The stakes are high, as AI has the potential to revolutionize industries, improve lives, and create new opportunities. However, this power also comes with risks that must be managed responsibly. To move forward, we must develop regulatory frameworks that balance the need for innovation with the imperative to protect human rights and social values. Governments, companies, and international organizations must work together to establish ethical guidelines and legal protections that can ensure that AI is used responsibly and equitably. Furthermore, as AI systems become more integrated into everyday life, public awareness and participation will become critical. People need to understand the impact of AI on their lives and be empowered to demand ethical practices from both AI developers and policymakers. As we continue to develop more advanced AI systems, we must ensure that these technologies are designed and used ethically. By addressing issues like AI bias, privacy, surveillance, and accountability, we can ensure that AI benefits society as a whole and doesn't exacerbate existing inequalities. Ethical AI development will require a collective effort from developers, governments, regulators, and the public to create a system that values human dignity and fairness above all else. In the next chapter, we will examine the role of AI in the military and its implications for global security.